in our effort to go around the country to talk on different issues. This week we are in Katsina State, where particularly visit Katsina and Daura. In this our visit, one of the important aspects we do is an interview with an organization which is Nigerian Farmers Council in association with African Kindom, with an aim of integrating youths from all parts of the country in order to brainstorm them, particularly on issues of conflict and conflict resolution, train them on build their capacities on employment and empowerment. Leader of the Council, Ambassador Emmanuel, spoke on the imperative of the program.
There are crises all over in the world today. There are crises in the mosques, there are crises in the church, there are crises in the societies, markets, there are crises all over. Even in governments, amongst governments, crises are all over. So we are teaching them how to be able to resolve conflict. Even there are conflicts within yourself. So if you have conflict within yourself, it goes into affecting other persons around. So we're teaching them how to manage conflict around them, to resolve any conflict should there be.
So how do you contribute and contribute towards restoring the security, particularly in northern Nigeria and Nigeria as well?
Right. Our organization, Nigerian Farmers Council and the African Kingdom, we're working in partnership with the Allah, especially in the area of cattle headers, conflict. We are trying to see how we can bring the farmer and the header together to be able to work in commonness to achieve the end objective. Where there is problem, we should be able to face the reality. We fish out the third party that is causing the problem, so that we'll be able to tackle it and be able to bring the conflict into a resolve.
As part of their activities is a visit of Kosugu Museum in Daura.
We are in Daura here today to pay a courtesy homage to the Emir of Daura, the National Coordinator of Nigerian Farmers Council. My name is Prince Kindom. Whatever we're doing here was devoted to Her Imperial Majesty, the Queen of Sheba, because we're here to witness and bring succor to Africans, to Nigerians. Nigerian Farmers Council is a body that is meant to bring succor to farmers in Nigeria in the area of mechanized farming, the area of helping the farmers to get accessibility to modernize farming, seedlings and financial resources, and to help educate farmers. So water is life, and without water there's no farming. We are in one of the most populous wells in Africa, a historic well, and we're drinking from it. Her Imperial Majesty, being the president and founder of African Kingdom Federation, will be interested in this kind of historic events because her interest is to bring African kings and kingdoms and kindreds together, to become one, to speak with one voice, to be able to coordinate the activities of Africa. Her Imperial Majesty Queen Sheba III is one of the most historic queens in African history in the world. So, am I allowed to drink from the well of life? This is how many centuries now, please?
This is 07-763 today.
763. Wow, and we're still drinking from here. All right?
From Katsina, Abba Misani, Time Base TV, Africa.